Good afternoon, students. In your morning section, we learn about what is measurement and what is types of unit and also SI units. In now we are see about that fundamental units. In this fundamental units, we have four things. One is length, another one is mass, another one is time, another one is temperature. So in this length, it is an extension of something between 2 points. So this measured between 2 points. That's a 5 kilometer or 5 meter or 5 centimeter, whatever it is, and its SI unit is meter. 1 meter is the distance traveled by a light through vacuum in 1 by 2997,92,456.58 second. That means light is travel in vacuum per second. It is moved by 3 lakh seconds. So here the larger distance are termed as following: astronomical unit, light year, parsec. In this astronomical units, its symbol is AU. It represents the distance between center of sun from the center of earth. 1 AU is equal to 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Then second one is a light year. Light year means distance traveled by light in 1 year in vacuum. So per year, how many distance the light travels, that is our light year, which is equal to 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter. In another larger unit is parsec, that represent as a PC. 1 PC is equal to, that means the distance used to measure astronomical object outside the solar system. So light year and astronomical units are used to measure the distance of solar things in the solar system, but the parsec is used to measure the distance between objects outside the solar system. Here 1 PC is equal to 3.26 light year. So the larger units in meter, kilometer means 10 to the power 3 meter, and astronomical unit is a 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter, and the light year is 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter, and the parsec is 3.08 into 10 to the power 16 meter. They are the larger units used in our solar system. We have a nearest star, its name is Alpha Centauri. It is present in 1.34 PC from the sun. So this is a very important general knowledge thing. And also the smaller units are termed as a Fermi. The F is a symbol of this Fermi. Its length is 10 to the power minus 15 meter. Another one we are used as a Armstrong. That symbol is A power dot. So its value is 10 to the power minus 10 m meter. Nanometer, its symbol is Nm. That is 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Micron, we said that is a micrometer. Mu, its symbol. So that is 10 to the power minus 16 meter. Another one is millimeter. We already known, that is 10 to the power minus 3 meter. And the centimeter is 10 to the power minus 2 meter. So the SI system is still accepted for us for used all the substance to measure. And then another one fundamental unit is a mass. Mass means that is a of matter contains body. So body have a quantity that is measured by mass. Its SI unit is kilogram. So 1 kilogram is the mass of a particle. Here they are using a cylinder, that is a prototype cylinder that is made up of platinum and iridium alloy. It's kept in a IBW, that means International Bureau of Weights and Measurement, to serve in France. They give a different type of values, that means gram, milligram, quintal and metric ton. So 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg, and 1 milligram is equal to 1 by 10 to the power 6 kg, that means 0.601. 1 quintal is equal to, that's 100 kg. In our farmers they are using the word of quintal. If they are selling a turmeric or whatever it is, they call it as a we gave 1 quintal or 5 quintal or 10 quintal, whatever it is. Then 1 metric ton, that is 10 quintal is equal to 1 metric ton, that means 1000 kg we call it as a metric ton. For sugar cane they are using the word quintal. Then another one important thing, we know that is the atomic mass unit. So this is used for atoms, that is a very small tiny substance. It is not shown in our naked eye. It has a mass of proton, neutrons and electrons. These electrons are uh, around the nucleus. This is nucleus. These electrons are around the nucleus, and the protons and neutrons are present inside the nucleus. So here this mass of atom is measured by AMU, that is atomic mass unit. They derive that is 1 by 12th mass of carbon 12 atom. That means here carbon 12 is a standard thing that is used to measure all the atoms masses. Okay, then second thing is time and temperature. So we are always working based on the time. This time is a duration event and also intervals between them. So morning and evening section we determine by the time intervals between that. Its SI unit is second. Here the time have a many larger units, that is second and a hour or a day or a week or month or year or century or millennium, trillium, whatever it is. So its SI unit is a second, and 1 millennium is equal to 3.16 into 10 to the power 9 second. So that is called, we said that 1 millennium. Here how it will measure means 1 second is a time to require the light to propagate 3 lakhs meter through vacuum. That the same thing of a length. So here we didn't use that measuring value of a length, but we are using the time measurement. So next one is a temperature. Temperature is used to measure hotness and coldness of a body. How means if we drink a cup of coffee, uh, how will you find that it will cold or hot? By using the temperature. So in the below the room temperature we call it as that is a coldness of a coffee, and above room temperature we said that's a hotness of a coffee. Here this temperature's SI unit is Kelvin, K. and also it has some another units, that is degree Celsius and Fahrenheit. In our body temperature we represented as a Fahrenheit. We said that that is a 99 degree Fahrenheit. uh, in our room temperature we said that that is a 30 degrees Celsius. So uh, day to day life we are using the three units, that is a Celsius and Fahrenheit and Kelvin also. Then last one, sorry pa, the last one of temperature, uh, how will we find this hotness and coldness means, that is a thermodynamic temperature of triple point of water. What is that the triple point of water? It have a three states, that is a solid state, liquid state and a gaseous state. For solids, and also it have a three points, that is a melting point, boiling point and a fusion point. This three points are meet at a particular point, that is we said the triple point of water. So that triple point is used to measure the temperature, it's like a Kelvin. And the last one is we learned that another thing, that is a unit prefix. In your English you know the word of prefix. So prefix means if we add the word that before the word, that means lucky is a word means we are writing as a unlucky, so un is a prefix. So here we are using that unit prefix. Okay, what is the unit prefix means? That is a symbol that is placed before the symbol of unit. So that also one of a symbol, but we are placing before the symbol of units. How we are used that means, it have a some particular, like a PTGM, that means a peta, tera, giga, that like. And also it is used to specify the order of magnitude of a quantity. So order of magnitude means it is give that a positive value or negative value, that means power. So it give which type of power of quantity, that only mentioned in this unit prefix. So here the prefix, simple prefix word is a kilometer. So here the kilo is a prefix word and the meter is a root word. So we have some unit prefixes. Here 10 to the power 15, that we call it as a peta, that symbol is P. 10 to the power 12 tera, we know that G T. 10 to the power 9 gigabyte, so giga, the we written by a byte in computer means we call it as a gigabyte, that is G. And 10 to the power 6 we call it as a mega. 10 to the power 3 we already known kilo. 10 to the power 2 that is hectometer. 10 to the power 1 deca. So that is a positive values. Next we have some negative values, that is 10 to the power minus 1, that means 1 by 10. 10 to the power minus 2 means that is 1 by 100. 10 to the power minus 3, that is 1 by 1000. So that is we written as a deci, centi, milli, micro, nano, pico and femto. That also have a symbol as a dcm, mu, micro, its symbol is we said that mu, and n pf. So it is a unit prefixes we are used before the symbol of units. So they are the prefixes to represent the power of the quantity. So here we have some physical quantities, they vary from different propagation, like from 10 to the power 15 minus 15 meter being the diameter of nucleus. So 10 to the power for every nucleus it have a diameter 10 to the power minus 15 meter to 10 to the power minus 26 meter, and some stars have a distance that is 10 to the power 26 meter. That means after 10 you need to put 25 zeros. That is 10 to the power 26 meter. Then mass of electron is 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. And also we have a Milky Way galaxy. It also have weight that is 2.2 into 10 to the power 41 kg. This is the some measuring unit prefix in this lesson. So if you have any doubt, you ask me. I give some questions to write now itself. That is, what is length? Uh, Determine that astronomical light year and parsec, and also what is mass. So you read the page number 3 and 4 in your book, and also write the answers for this question. Thank you, students.